The spirit of sharing. Understanding what's mine is yours. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase that encapsulates the spirit of generosity and sharing. What's mine is yours. This phrase is a fantastic example of how language can convey warmth and openness. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, usage, and the values it represents in English-speaking cultures. What's mine is yours is a phrase that expresses a deep level of generosity and willingness to share what one has with others. It means that whatever the speaker owns or has access to is also available to the listener. This phrase is often used among close friends, family members, or partners to indicate that there is no strict boundary between what belongs to each person. This phrase can be used in various situations, ranging from casual to meaningful exchanges. For instance, when someone is moving into a new home and you want to make them feel welcome. In a situation where you're sharing resources, like books, clothes, or even food. During moments of emotional support, to show that you're there for someone in every way. It's important to note that this phrase should be used sincerely and with people you genuinely feel a close connection to, as it signifies a deep level of trust and camaraderie. In many English-speaking cultures, what's mine is yours reflects values of community, trust, and the importance of relationships over material possessions. It embodies the idea that sharing and caring for one another strengthens bonds and creates a supportive community. This phrase can teach us a lot about the importance of generosity and not being overly attached to material things. The phrase, "What's mine is yours," is more than just a way to offer something. It's a testament to the power of sharing and the bonds it can create between people. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the meaning and use of this phrase but also inspired you to embrace the spirit of generosity in your daily interactions. Thank you for watching, and remember, the best things in life are even better when shared.